Are you offering farm fresh dairy products to your customers? Then use our dairy products order form template to quickly take online orders directly through your website. This template has automatic calculations of the order total and the order summary, so when your customers place the orders, they know how much they owe you well before they place their order. You can customize this template to add new categories and more products. Let's get started. We're doing this in 3 steps. Step 1. Let's copy this template. Step 2. Let's see how you can customize this template to add a new category and a new product under that category. Step 3. Let's preview the final form and test by placing a sample order. And we'll see how you can share this form with your customers. Now, on step 1, let's make a copy of this template. On Untitled Grocery website, click on Create Order Form. In this template gallery, scroll down to the Dairy Products Order Forms category. Then choose this Dairy Products Order Form template here. This order form template has a set of dairy products already. And here you can check the various functional and technical features available with this order form template. To make a copy, click on the Use This Template button here on the bottom right of the page. Change the title to your shop name. For example, I changed it to Dear Dairy Farms. Then choose your currency. I'm changing it to Euros. For now, let's leave the language as English. Click on Confirm. It is now preparing your form. Alright, it is copied now, and this is your order form. Now, let's move on to step 2, where we'll add a new category and add new products to that category. This form is currently in edit mode. You see the little gear icons all over? You can click on these gear icons to change the form. Here, say if you're starting to offer milk powders at your shop, I'll show you how you can add a new category for that. I click on this Add Page button here to create a new category. A page can be a category that can list many products, or it can just be a list of form fields asking the user to input something like contact details, delivery details, etc. You need to at least add one product to the category that you newly added. When you add, make sure that you name the product properly and add appropriate prices and upload an image of the real product. I click on the Add Product button here. On the sidebar, type the name of the product as the title. For example, I say whole milk powder. You may be selling them packed by varying weights. So, for this option sold by, click on weight and then click on next. Here for the option, do you weigh the product every time it is sold or is this packaged? I choose packaged. Now I add the price to 10 euros and I also add an image by clicking on the image and upload the one that I have here. Now you have your new category added to the list here. To make this newly created category show up at the top of the order form, you have to add it to the navigation flow. To do this, click on the grid icon. Now click on the edit option here. Then select Add this section to navigation and save it. Similarly, you can delete the products by clicking on the trash bin icon under each of the listings here. Okay, now let's move on to step 3. Let's see how to preview and test this form before you share it with your customers. On the menu bar at the top of the page, click on Preview. In this page, you can preview how your order form will appear in the desktop, tablet, and mobile as well. Here you can change the theme, color, and appearance of the form. Now it's time to test it. On the bottom left of the page, click on this link to open this form in a new window. Here is the final form. I'll now act as your favorite customer Jack, making an online order. While I'm doing this, I'm filling my cart here. I'm only shown what is available at your dairy shop currently, and I can precisely choose only the things that I want. The navigation is so smooth that your customers would enjoy shopping just like I feel now. I click on Next and now I'll go ahead and write my contact details and address for delivery. All this while, did you notice that you did not do anything extra to calculate order amount and summary? Yes, all that is built in this dairy products order form template and calculated automatically for every order. I can now see the order summary and the order total. This makes it easier for me to know what and for how much I owe you. Now I click on Place Order. At your end, you can go back to your order form and click on the Orders tab here to see the list of orders arranged like sticky notes in this easy visual dashboard. You can click on each sticky note to see the order details. You can move them across the different columns and manage your dairy products orders from processing to delivering them to your customers. Now, you can share this dairy product order form with your customers. Click on Share from the top menu. You can simply share the link of the form to your customers on phone, social media, or share it via WhatsApp, or even embed it in your website. Thanks for staying with me on making your order form. Start accepting orders online for your dairy shop today. If you have any questions or need any help, send us email at support@neartel.com. We are happy to help. See you there.